Hey, today I'm going to show you how to transform one jumpsuit into, let's see, 3 different pieces. I'm also going to use a skirt and it's tulle. It's a skirt that I don't wear anymore, and this jumpsuit I don't wear like that anymore. So it's going to turn into something really, really cute. Stay tuned, it's coming. So are we ready for a DIY jumpsuit? I'm ready for a DIY. Let's begin. Step 1. Do you guys remember any of these, I guess I'd say 90s skirts? Yeah, well, I'm going to take, don't worry, I won't get rid of it. I'll do something with it. But in the meantime, I'm going to just take some of the tulle that's in here. I'm going to be using this from this skirt. Yep. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is the piece of a tulle that was left over. So basically what I did is I just made a border. I already had one, but then I snapped it together and put a little button. So I'm going to wear this like kind of a jabot, like a kind of collar, you know. I'm not sure if I should cut it shorter or leave it this length though. And here I shrunk the collar that I made. It's a little button and there's still lace all around it. So it's much smaller now. Okay, so now that it's all basted and done, I see that it's really pretty, but it won't be that practical. This will get a bit in the way, and I'm thinking now that I will just add the lining all over again to make it a little bit more of a Four Seasons type of look. The jacket looks way better now that I put a lining underneath. Before I had just the tulle, so it'll be also less fragile that way. And yeah, here it goes. I changed the buttons as well, and I added, as you can see, part of a lace here on the cuffs. So far so good. Gotta now do the pants. And here are the pants. They're all done and finished. I also changed the buttons and put some lace at the top. So that's all done too. Okay, so this is the altered jumpsuit. Look at that. I put like a little kind of peplum, and it was with the tulle left over from another skirt, and also the lining. I also put some lace here on the sleeves. As for the pants, these I just put some lace as well here on the sides just to, you know, tie it all together. I don't have to wear them with these pants. I really don't. It's because the color goes well together. But basically, that's the outfit that I transformed, that I upcycled. So it's a lot of fun. You have a jumpsuit. Why not? Add a piece to it. It makes it like a longer jacket. Lots of fun. Really like doing this. It's just perfect. I kind of forgot to show you that I changed the buttons here as well. They were just like these plain, awful brown buttons. And also, let me see if you can see it here. Yeah, you see I put them also on the jeans. So that was a cute little touch. There we go. Hey there, so I'm trying to show you the collar I made. So it's a tulle collar, just by what was left over from the part that I made on the jacket, and it came from that same skirt. And I just added a row here of little lace, and I put a button as well. I'm just gonna put some lace down these two, the front of the lapels here. Not lapels, I should say the 2 points that are here for the collar, and it should turn out pretty cute. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if I go closer. Yeah, there you go. So I'll show you the finished piece when it's done.